Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning about simple sentences for beginners. So if you're just starting to learn English, this video is perfect for you. So get ready, grab your notebook and pen. Let's start learning together. So our first sentence today is with city. I live in a big city. Our next sentence is with market. The market is busy. Park. We play in the park. Happy. I am happy today. I love my family. School. I go to school every day. Pen. I have a blue pen. Water. I drink water every day. Flower. The flower is beautiful. Phone. I have a new phone.